This is the unboxing of my tag heuer watch. Okay, now let's unbox it. First, let me pull phone down here so that I could unbox this. Okay. चाकू एक मिनट आई बड़ा टाइट बॉक्स है ये पेपर को फेंको उधर अनबॉक्स करो I have cut the box. See, I have cut the box. Can't see it clearly, but I have cut it. एक मिनट लाइट जला देता हूँ. See, now you can see this that I have cut the box. Okay. Now put it down. Okay. 1 minute. See. See, this is the garbage. See, this is. Whoa, tag heuer. What the fuck is this? Throw it away. Okay. Now let's unbox it. And it is the second hand watch and I bought it for $1100. And it's the first tag heuer pendulum edition 1980. It is a 1980 watch. It's very old watch, and tag heuer has launched a new watch without hairspring, but it is a concept and it is not, and this model is not available in the market now because it's the 1980 watch, but it looks cool also. Okay, now let's unbox this used watch. Okay, time to see the watch. Ta-da! Whoa, it's a very cool watch. See, सराने दो हटाने दे. हाँ अब सही है. See, oh, this is working. You can't see, but I can see it's the automatic watch. See, the second is working. And now see, let's see the back. Oh, cool. Now open. Whoa, what a lock. But it's okay. Grand Carrera. See, the second hand is moving. I am recording it with my iPhone 4, but it's very bekar recording. You can't see clearly since it can record 720p and it's very difficult. See. Now thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. I don't know where to subscribe, but please subscribe and see my channel.